Noah's taking a dump.
Aqua dump. We go to the bottom of the lake and wake up. I've only ever caught one by hand once before.
You have to wiggle your noodle more.
Just the ass sticking out. Just his ass floating.
Did you get that?
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Did you get it falling off?
Dave.
They're on the same mission.
Dave.
Is it on?
Is it still recording? There's a big fucking bass here. He's like 5 pounds.
What's behind you? What's behind you?
Yeah, Kalen, there's actually like a 5 pounder here now. Yeah, he's pretty big. Fuck. But there were 2 of them together. Big fucker and a not so big fucker. Fuck, I wish I had a rod.
Oh yeah, that is a pretty big one.
It's decent size. There was a bigger one than that though. He swam off. Yeah, video's recording. See what I mean? You get close and they fuck off. You create noise and you create dust, and that's when shit gets kicked up. They like to eat. The full snorkeling setup. Get him? Yeah, he's fucked.
It's gone forever.
Oh, no, oh, nice. Why?
The homies. Hey, I saw that.
More homies.
Now look in the water where it's sunny.
That will do.
That will fucking do.